Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing how to create your own custom labor rates and apply them to the various parts in your estimates. The first thing we need to do is head up here to Options and click on our labor rate editor. Now, if you remember when you set up your account, you set up the various labor rates in your account. You either selected rates from our recommended values, or you just simply went in and adjusted the rates on your own, assuming you already know what you charge per hour. In this video, we're talking specifically about adding your own custom labor rates using the Add New Record button right here. So what this does is add a completely new rate to your list of labor rates right here. So when we click Add New Record, you're going to see some space pop up here, and we have three different values to input: a letter identifier, a title identifier, and then the rate itself. So for this letter, we just need a letter that's not already in our labor rate set. So I'm going to go with Z. And then we need to give it a title, so something that we can identify the rate with. For this one, we'll call it Alex. And then we will select a rate here. And let's say this is going to be $35 an hour. So I fill out these three values. We go ahead and save. And that rate is saved to my account now. The next step is to apply the rate to particular parts in our estimate. To do so, we can head back over here to the projects page. And you've got a couple different ways to apply this rate to your parts. I've already got a part in my estimate here. And let's say I want to apply my new rate, Alex, at $35 an hour to this particular part for installing half-inch drywall. To do so, I'm going to click our little blue edit button here. And that's going to pull up the cost formula here. Now, to change the labor rate for this part, I'm just going to click my hourly labor rate dropdown. I'm going to find Alex. You'll see my pricing update, particularly the labor. We'll scroll down and we'll click Save Part. And that particular part is now updated with the Alex labor rate. Now, let's say you don't have any parts in your estimate yet, but you want to apply that rate to any new parts that we're adding. To do that, we're just going to go up here where we typically search for parts and templates, and we're going to search for something here. We're going to select an item, and we'll fill out our typical values here. Let's say we have 400 square feet, and then I'm going to select my labor rate. So again, we're going to select Alex here, and then we're just going to click Add Part. Now keep in mind, you can also click Add and Customize, and that will bring us back over here to the cost formula where we were just a couple minutes ago. And then we can adjust the rate here as well as anything else about the part. And just be sure to follow up with Save Part. So again, you can adjust the labor rate applied to items by searching for a part and then adjusting that rate right here. Alternatively, if the part is already added to your estimate, you can make a change right here with these little blue edit buttons. And that's how to add your own custom labor rates. Thanks for watching.